Okay, so this is going to be for Karen Watt's database class. I'm going to show how I was able to transfer access to my SQL. Please excuse the music. I can't figure out how to get rid of it on this program that I'm using. Okay, so first we're going to go to Google here. You can see the blackboard up here with the requirements of the assignment. If you go to Google and type in download ODBC MySQL, and then go down to the freeware files one. That's the one I found to be the easiest to use. Just click right on that right there. And then click on download now. I chose the direct download right there. I think this one here is actually an advertisement, so just click on that. Get it download. Hit next. Okay, this is going to look different for you because I already have it downloaded. But here you can click on typical. That's what I did. Just kind of hit next and go on through all those right there. I'm going to hit cancel because I already have this done. Next thing I'm going to do is download the actual software for the transfer. If you go to Google again, type in export access to MySQL. Oops, wrong one. Let me go back real quick. Here we go. The bullzip one is the one you want to click on. So go ahead and click on that. It gives you nice instructions here. I mean, it's actually incredibly easy to use. So for now, just go up to the top, click on download. Find the one that says access to MySQL. It is free. Just go right over to download and wait for it to finish downloading. And click on that. You are going to want to extract these. I already have it extracted. I put it to my desktop. So there it is. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, it should look like this. If you do get any errors, then that means that you didn't download the driver correctly, because it'll talk about needing a 32-bit ODBC, even if you're using a 64-bit machine. So just hit next. This is going to let you decide which Access database you actually want to download. You can click on that and find what you're looking for. I'm doing Northwind. Don't worry about this unless the database actually has a password to access the database itself. You're going to want to create a dump file for this. Here it's going to show where it gets downloaded to. You can name it whatever you want as long as it still has the .sql at the end. And then you can name the actual database itself right here. The first name is actually for the dump file. Here's the fun part. This is going to show all the tables you have. So just go back to your assignment here, and you can see that these are the particular tables that we're going to need. So just make sure those are the ones checked. All the other ones are unchecked. Mine are already unchecked because I've done this already just to test it out. But in future projects, you can have them all selected. You can choose which tables you actually want to have selected. Hit next. Keep this unchecked. Everything else should be checked then. And then hit run now. It's going to take very little time. Hit exit. And now to go to the workbench itself. Go ahead and connect to that real quick. Go to File and open SQL script. If you remember back where you got to choose where it's going to be downloaded to, go over to that. Mine's in Documents. I called it Northwind. So we'll go ahead and open Northwind up then. And there you go. You now have your assignment from Access in MySQL. One thing you are going to want to do is want to go and actually add in a drop database Northwind. This is so that whenever you run this, since the database is already created, when it comes time for you to have to do the drop particular tables like customers here, it won't let you. It will give you an error saying that there are relationships, there's foreign keys pointing to customers, you can't delete the parent table when you have constraints of the foreign there. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. You can run it and you see no errors at all. Everything ran smoothly, so you can then go ahead and submit this to Karen for grading. I'm sure she will enjoy to see it. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know.